And did you quote her that fee of $900?
I told her $800.
Well, then you did an oil change. What does that cost?
I did not do the oil change that day. She came. Okay.
So he says he quoted you $800. Did you pay him either $800 or $900?
Okay, so maybe it was $800, but I have a bank statement here like that I took out $900 that day. So
Listen, I don't care what you took out. This is your lawsuit.
yeah, it was $800.
This is your lawsuit. So you gave him, did she pay you the $800?
Yes, ma'am, she did.
Did you replace the struts?
Yes, I did.
Did you leave her the old parts?
Yes, I showed her the old parts also.
And on what date did you return the car to her?
Same day.
The same day?
Correct.
Okay, so now you got the car back the same day? Mm-hmm. Uh-huh, is a yes. Okay, that's November 16th. And then what is the next thing that's germane to this case? What happened next?
Okay, next thing, a few months go by.
How many months?